Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie, and guess what? I have a shoe unboxing for you today from ThredUP. Super excited about this shoebox. This is the shoebox that I didn't get before. I was planning on doing before, but it was a handbag box, and that was a great surprise. Actually, in the end, it was a really good surprise because all those bags I got were great. I sold every single one of them. They were all sold out. So anyway, I'm Stephanie. I'm an eBay reseller. I do it part-time. Have been doing it for a long time. I've really been ramping up my sales. Sales have been really good for me because I've been putting a lot of work into it, of course. So yeah, and these boxes, the shoe boxes, have been doing pretty well. I hope I don't get any of those kind of like generic, kind of made in China shoes. But anyway, some shoes in made in China are okay, but the ones I've gotten are kind of. But you know what? I do always get a couple pairs that make up for that. So let's just see what we got in this one. Let's see. I got the big giant box, so I cannot show you. Peek. It's really big. It's like super heavy. So anyway, let's open this thing up and get started. All right. I do have some exciting stuff coming up too. I have my keychains ready to sell and to bring to you and to sell. I will show them to you first, and whatever I don't sell on my YouTube channel I will put on eBay, or I will bring to two local stores that I sell my stuff at. So I'm doing a lot more making, and I'm loving it. It's so much fun. My husband helps me, and I was going to show too. I wanted to show you my favorite necklace. This necklace here is at least 20 years old. It's a silpata necklace. So it's sterling silver, and it's got these crystals and these pearly beads. I don't think they're real pearls, but it is. I just throw it on whenever I have kind of something that has white or that has, matching. And I got this t-shirt at Anthropologie. It's got cute little embroidery on it. So it's kind of a big t-shirt. But I like that. It's soft, and every now and then I like to wear something like that. So oh my gosh, I'm already seeing some good stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get this party started. We're gonna start out with an amazing, it's an amazing pair of shoes because it's by one of my favorite brands, Mesto. Mesto is a German brand, and it's comfort shoes, and they're $250, $400 easy. Are these shoes new? They at least they used to sell well. I haven't sold any in a long time. These are a size 40. They're in really good condition. There are markings on the inside, as you can see a little bit. I'll try and clean those up a little bit. But they're a size 40, so like a 9.5. I'm bummed these aren't my size because they are really, really cute. Look at this. Look at the bottoms. And I'll give you the pricing on the screen for these. It'll be a good deal. Better than if I sell them on eBay. These will sell on eBay, by the way. They're great. Mesto shoes, whenever I've gone on long trips, I always have a pair of Mesto shoes with me because you can walk all day and your feet never hurt. It's just amazing. I don't know how they do it. But like I said, it's a German brand and they know what they're doing. So, all right, they're black, and they've got kind of a croc embossed, and they're slip-ons. They are absolutely gorgeous. I don't see anything wrong with these either. I don't know why they didn't sell on are these adjustable? No, they're not. Okay. All right, super happy with our first pair. Woo woo! Oh my gosh, what are these? Oh, what are these? These are so cute. I don't know this. These are definitely. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I couldn't find the pair for it, but wait till you see these. Those are so cool. They've got kind of a gunmetal. I think it's faux leather, and then they've got a pointy toe, and then this part here is like, vinyl, or what do you call it? Vinyl and polyester, whatever it is. They're slip-on. They've got this stretch. Oh my heavens, these are cute. They're super cute. All right, let's figure out what the size is. Maybe there is no size, but the brand is Yashilinazu or something like. I can't really. Can you see that? So I think it's a Chinese word. I don't see the size, but these look like my size. I think these are adorable. They don't have much wear at all to them. So I'll try and figure out the size. I'll compare it with some of my shoes, and I'll have a price on the screen for unless I decide to keep these. I'm going to try these on afterwards. They're so cute. So they're just the kind that you slip on. Look at how cool they are. Yeah, I must say, I was just saying how if it's made in China, it's not always bad. That's a good example of that. So, alrighty. Next up is a pair of Nike. Well, these do have some wear to the soles, but they're pretty clean. They're purple and black. And let's see, there's the side view, and you can kind of, you see some wear to the soles there. I mean, actually not a lot of wear. There's no heel drag that I can see. So I'd say that's pretty good. What size are they? Size women's 9.5, 9.5. They're nice. They're super lightweight. They're that cloth material. I've had these before, and they're very, very comfy. Especially for the summer when you don't want a heavy shoe on your foot. You don't want all that weight. So size 9.5, really, really nice. Yeah, I'm happy with those too. These goddamn shoe boxes have been so good. So good. Okay, next up is a pair of sandals. And it looks like they are just these little small platform, you know, just an inch platform. Faux leather, it looks like. And probably cannot find a size on these because I don't see one offhand, but you never know. I don't know. I'm going to guess 9 or 10, but I'll see if I can figure that out. And if not, I guess we'll just wing it. But anyway, Cliffs sandals. Don't even know the name Cliffs, but it's by White Mountain. I think White Mountain was Cliffs by White Mountain. There's the name. All right, next up is a pair of shoes that kind of looks like Golden Goose, but they're not. I did get a little heart palpitation there. Thinking I might have some, but they're vintage Havana, and they are what size? Vintage property, it says on there, and they've got like the faux shearling inside, so you can see what I mean by they've got the star and everything that had a minor look of, you know, Golden Goose. But anyway, these are still cute. They do have some wear, a little bit of matting on the inside. They're pretty clean outside of that. You can see on the soles there's not a lot of wear. So what size are these? Let's look. Does it say? Doesn't say on the bottom. Vintage Havana. That's probably the problem. I think a lot of the shoes you get in these are not marked for size, so. All right, that is the next one. Moving on. Reika. I have never sold Reika shoes. I mean, I've seen Reika's name around many times, but these are the kind of slip-ons. They're like a bird egg blue. Pink inside. They're a little dirty on the inside. Need to wipe down. Again, here's the size. Okay, can't view that. Let's see. Oh, that one's off altogether, so I'll need a magnifying glass. It looks like they're a size 9 medium. Yeah, those are in pretty good. I mean, they're okay. The inside's a little dirty, so other than that, though, they're in good condition. I don't see hardly anywhere at all to the soles. So, all right, Reika. I don't know Reika very well, so you tell me what you think about Reikas. I don't know. Okie dokie. What else do we have? We have a pair of Victoria. Don't know that name. Victoria, and there are canvas athletic shoes. Don't know, size 41, so that's like a 10.5. They're beige, and they're, like I said, they're canvas. There's some wear to them. They're still in good condition. I don't see any heel drag, although the bottoms need a good wipe down, good cleaning actually. But the inside, here's the inside. You can see that. So that gives you some idea. There's the side. They've got a little platform, give you a little heel. And Victoria, there's the name right there. So I don't know that name. Let me know if you know about that one, because I'm really not very sure. So okie dokie. The next ones are kind of, I'm not even gonna, they're Sperry topsiders, but they're really dirty. I'm not even gonna show them to you. Those are going to be donated. Yeah. I don't know who thinks it's a good idea to put dirty shoes in here, but okay, whatever. Next up we have a pair of pink strappy sandals, and they are Billini, Billini brand. Size 7. Oh, they'd be cute if you had a wedding this summer. Aren't these cute? I don't know the name Bellini. And are they real leather? I don't know. They're going in the donate. This is coming unpeeled. I don't feel right selling them to anyone. So if you want them with something else that I'm shipping to you, I will give them to you. Oh. I think these are a good brand. I've never Louise AC. I can tell they're beautifully made. They've got leather bottoms. Well, first here they are. They are suede. Ooh, they need just a good suede brush would do wonders to these. The suede's good. The suede is in good condition and it's clean. I don't see any nicks or tears or anything like that. Louise, it's Louise at Sea. I'm going to show you the inside of these. They're kind of dirty, but I can probably clean up a lot of this. What size are they though? Again, I don't really see a size. That's a bummer. Too bad. Maybe it's on here. No. Wait, here it is. Ha ha ha. It looks like a 6.5 medium. 6.5 medium. Louise at Sea. They're a Mary Jane with a cross strap. They're absolutely adorable. I love Mary Janes. I love Mary Janes with just this heel, a nice block heel. They're comfortable and they look amazing. So, Louise at Sea. I will clean out the insides a little bit. The next one I'm really excited about because I have sold Jack Rogers shoes many times. They always sell fairly quickly. They're beautiful leather. They're all leather. These shoes are all leather. This is the typical pair of shoes from Jack Rogers. They're sold at high-end stores like I think Nordstrom, like that would sell them. These are in great condition. This part is leather, I do believe. The whole shoe is leather usually. They're a size 8 medium. But I don't know why they're in the box. They're in really good shape. The size is written by hand on here, so I don't know what that's for, but there's the size. But these are in great condition. They're clean. They don't even have any toe prints on them. These are over $100 when you buy them new. Probably more like $200. They're not cheap. So, okay. Love these. Love these. Okay, I'm not keeping them. I don't wear sandals like that. I don't know. This is just not the style that I like. So, ooh, all right. All right. Aquatalia. Got some Aquatalia boots and they look like new. Look at these. Aquatalia is a great name. Made in Italy. Oh my gosh, these are great. Look at the cute inside of these boots. These are great. I hope someone gets these. Look at the cute detail on the back. It says Aquatalia right here. So these have about a 2.5 to 3 inch heel, I would say. 3 inch heel, block heel. They're in excellent condition. I don't see anything. In fact, were they ever worn? I don't know. Look at the bottoms. You can't tell there was any wear. I'm wondering what the size is and if that's why they're in here. Oh, they're right. Size 8 medium. I can probably wear, well, you never know, but I don't probably need another pair of boots. Look at the toes. They do have a little bit of wear to the toes, but it took me looking up close to see them and showing you up close. So that's about the only wear I can see. This is a great deal. Aquatalia is not cheap. They sell these on the RealReal, so yay. But I'd rather sell them here. You know, I do sell items on the RealReal, but it does take time, really a lot of time, and they take a commission, and you know, it's better to just sell them here. And obviously I will give you a much better price. Okay, Coach sandals. These are so cute. Look at these pink with a cute, this is a fabric flower. These are in good condition. Look at them, they're not bad at all. What size? Oh my heavens, these are so cute. Okay, Coach. Where is the size? Boy, they make it, the print is, I'm gonna have to put it on the screen. The print is like almost the color of the fabric. These are in great condition. I'm super, are you kidding me? Look at these, they're in great, I can hardly tell they were, I don't know, were they worn? Yeah, maybe I can tell a little bit of wear to the soles, but not much. Oh, these are so cute. They've got kind of a jelly bottom. You can kind of see the bottom there. this is great. It's a great shoebox. Yay for that. Okay. Okay, I don't know what these are, but Ugg! Oh, sheepers. Ugg slippers, or whatever you call it. They're platform slippers. They're super cute. I don't know if they're real fur or not. I don't know. Sugar sole. I don't know. I have not bought any of these ever, and I haven't sold many. I don't know if I've sold any of these. These are really cute though. Look at the detail, the front. They do have, this will need to be cleaned and kind of combed out. I don't know how to say it any other way, but bummer I don't see a size. I'm gonna slip them on my foot right now and see. Well, I should be cleaning them first, but I have a sock on. I think they're about a 7.5, but I'm gonna have to see if I can find out some other way. But they're really cute. They're again, Uggs are not cheap. Just a few pairs left here. What do we have here? Oh, a pair of patent faux leather, I believe, shoes, and they are a size 11, 10 medium, 10 medium. They are kind of a nude color with a strap in the front, Guess brand, with a strap around the ankle, about a 4-inch heel, 4.5, something like that. So they do have some wear, but yeah, they're nice. I mean, we're not gonna, sell them for $1 million. 10 medium. There we go. They're faux patent leather, but I love the look of even faux patent leather. I love the look of patent. All right, 2 pairs left. Let's see. This pair is a size 8.5, and it is made well. All right. And it's kind of got this. I don't know if it's faux. I think it is, or is it? Kind of a faux fur. These are not going to be sold. This is splitting here. Meh. That's too bad. These are really cute. They've got kind of a faux animal fur look going on. Again, if you buy something else, I'll throw these in because they're splitting. I'm not going to sell someone a pair of shoes that's splitting. That's just, meh. All right, 1 pair left. What do we have? 9 West, and these are really, really cute. They're a pair of black leather boots. There looks to be real leather. The leather's really nice. Wedge heel, very nice condition. And oh, these are nice. Oof, they are nice. Okay, let's see. They've got an open toe front, and they're really, really cute. Wow, the leather's just beautiful. It's super soft. Doesn't say what size though. I don't know. Again, I guess I'm gonna have to go on a treasure hunt and find all the sizes for all these shoes. There's a little bit of heel wear on these, but not too bad. They're super cute. I like those a lot. All right, well, I love this box. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So we've got those. I won't go over all of them again. I mean, I think I can, I'll do really well on this box. I got some Uggs. I got Jack Rogers, Coach. I mean, Aquatalia, like new. Are you kidding me? That's great. All right, upcoming. I have some keychains / purse charms that I'm going to be, I don't know, very, very soon I will be showing you. And I also have some t-shirts that I designed that I'm going to bring on here first and then put into my other channels after that for whatever is left. So exciting. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to buy any of these shoes. By the way, the shipping, I can no longer, shipping has gone up a lot. I can do 1 pair for $8. Any more than 1 pair, it'll be $10. So, and if you got these, I would not charge you $8. I would charge you more like $6. So, I usually try to pay for a little of the shipping, at least a little of it. If you get more than 2 or 3 pairs, I'm paying for a lot of the shipping. That's fine with me. I'm happy to sell these shoes. So, all right. mystephstyle@gmail.com is where to email. So, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.